So today's part video, we're taking a look at these Delta fixtures. Now, the community calls these Kone Delta because these are commonly used on Kone elevators. However, if we turn this panel to the back, you can see that these are not made by Kone. They're actually made by Innovation. So we're going to take a closer look at these buttons, and then I'm going to show you how to wire them. So the button from the front is pretty straightforward. We have the two buttons, and the actual button has a little arrow using Kone's almost diamond-shaped arrow, and then the little light on the bottom. Turning it to the back, we can see the circuit board along with the information. And the circuit boards themselves are fairly straightforward. It says Innovation on the top, and it gives you some information. So these you can see here are 24 volt, and they're red because of the R stamp. And to take the button off, you unscrew the two nuts, and then the button will come right off. And now we can take a closer look at it. On the front, you see the actual button, which is just kind of a thin piece of metal around the side. And then to break this down further, you unclip the two clips holding the circuit board on, and then the circuit board comes off. You can see here it's fairly simple. It's got the LED in the middle, it's got some resistors, and it also has the two micro switches. And then of course there is the connector, which we'll look at later. To take the button even further apart, you have the two plastic clips on the side, and removing those shows these two little springs that are in the little frame. And then you have the button, which is kind of stuck in this piece of plastic. My guess is it's glued on, but I couldn't figure out how to get it off without breaking it. So now to the wiring, and this is actually pretty simple. You'll notice here we have 4 pins. The two outer pins, shown here, are for your switch, and your two inner pins, shown here, are for the light. So to make a simple circuit out of this, you want to place your positive to this pin, and then simply connect these two pins together, and then connect your negative to this pin. Now here you can see I've set that up, and I'm using a 9-volt battery, and you can see that the light is not super bright, but it definitely is enough to see. If you want it to be brighter, you would obviously need to increase the voltage to a maximum voltage of what is stamped on the back. And after connecting my buttons together, you can see here that whenever I press them, they do light up, and it looks really nice. Turning off the light, we can get a better look at this, and you can see they look really nice. And this is being run off a 9-volt battery. So that's pretty much it for this project. This was a fairly simple wiring job. These buttons are fairly easy to work with. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.